Good afternoon. We are at the Allan Shivers Museum, located here in downtown Woodville, Texas. The house is very antique. It's very vintage. It was originally built in 1881. And then it became a library and a museum in 1966. We are in historic downtown Woodville, Texas at the Allan Shivers Library and Museum. This original antique house was built in 1881 and restored and opened up in 1966. So yeah, this house has been here since 1881. Really fascinating piece of Texas history. Looks like a small gazebo and a giant brick plant pot that looks like a water well on the side there, which is really cute. And here we have the plaque memorial in the yard that explains who Allan Shivers was. He was a governor of Texas, 1949 to 1957. And this old vintage antique home has been converted into a museum commemorating him in 1966. Okay, and we're actually inside the hallway here, behind the vintage 1881 home. That is now the Allan Shivers Library here in Woodville, Texas.